Hi and welcome back to another video. And today, I'll be making a bit more. I made the 15B zone, and I'm adding more dispensers. Like here, you can buy the treats like this, and you get 3 treats. 3 treats, you see? And this will be a good source for treats, because the only source we had was ladybugs, and I've added a ladybug here. This kit seems to be easier than the last kit I used. And I'm adding new scissors to the game to make it a bit better. And I think I'm gonna decrease the honey dipper to 350 because it's not the best. And the last item was like what, 13,000. So just decreasing it by 200,000 is big, but it makes sense because the last thing was only 15,000. And the new thing will be like 1 million, so maybe I'll decrease that to 750. Oh. I think I want to try to make a new mob soon. I need to catch up my hive. I need to keep buying more and more treats because it's not really the best right now. I can buy like 30 treats. That's not a lot, so I have to keep grinding. You know what? For the video to go faster, I'm just gonna convert it all. Here, wait. Let me defeat this really quick, and then I'll tell you my tip. So what I found with this, what my tip is I found that if you go all the way at the end, it launches you farther. But it's not working right now, but it does work. Okay, I have to upgrade the scissors because they're basically the same thing, but just a tiny bit better. So yeah, this is a red and blue thing. So the white fields isn't the best to grind out. But it does have a bit slight better flowers, but still, it's not the best to grind with. Let me see how good it is. Okay, yeah, this is better now. But yeah, I think this is just good enough. Now I want to add a new item called glue, basically like the game, like the actual one in the game, but like not really. And for now, I'm just gonna make it look like a gumdrop because I need to draw it later. So I'm gonna go 2 items, go all the way to where the gumdrops are. No way, not the gumdrops. That would not be a good idea. This will be 100 bond, but it's also used for something better. You'll see. Actually, 75 bond. Hold on. Actually, let me remake one of the bears that I made in my test game called Test 1. This is for testing purposes only. When I'm gonna update, I'll just drop this bear all the way down here and then put it back up. Alright, it's not like the other kit. It's gonna take a lot of getting used to if I'm gonna do these kits. This new kit, I mean. If the creator of this kit makes another kit, then I'll be fine with restarting my game because I'm pretty sure the next kit it might have gifted bees, which I'll really want, and it'll also have maybe hive slots, which will be something that is going to be really useful. And if it has gifted and amulets, then that'll be even better. But that would take like 2 months or maybe 3 months. By then, I'll have like a full game probably published. Black bear. I'm just gonna duplicate black bear. Oh wait, why did I copy that entire thing? I didn't need that. All I need is this. Remember, this is for testing purposes only. I'm not doing this for fun. I actually need to test it. I'm giving 25 because I'm going to make like gumdrop stew for the bees. So I need to test this before I do it. Let me see if test bear 1 works though. That's the, oh, yes, it does. I feel like there's less chance of bugs on this kit. The last one's a bit buggy. Hold on, something's wrong with it. Again. Well, not again. There was nothing wrong with it at the first place. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna take this one, the sunflower seeds. Actually, I'm gonna take one easier to the treats, yeah. So 25 glue. Oh, and I know one more thing. You know, I think I'm gonna give 5 gumdrops when you first join. Hopefully it works now. Glue, there it is. Okay, so now I have 30 glue. Now if I were to give this to a bee, then it should give the bee a ton of, hold up. Alright. Hold on. You know what? I'm taking the texture of the basic egg. No wait, well, the treat I think it was. Yeah, the treat. There's like badges, but I don't know because they're not. There actually is no badges. Because there is badges in the code, but there is no actual badges. Yeah, right here, badges. That's probably what's going to be in the next kit. I'm going to take the tree instead then. What if it's in client? I don't know if it's because the goo isn't. No, not the goo. The glue isn't working. I want to make a new mob, so I'm gonna go take the ladybug. Here's the ladybug. I think this looks good. But I think that's it for today. I hope you've had a nice day. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you and bye.